When trying to level a production schedule, one of the critical pieces of your daily schedule is takt time. Takt time is a calculation that helps you match your schedule to that of the customer demand. Defined, it refers to the rate at which products, information, and/or services need to be completed in to keep up with customer demand. The formula for calculating takt time is shown here. Let's look at a basic example. First, we need to calculate the time available in a shift. Let's assume we have 8 hours in a day available. This means that we have 480 minutes per day of available work time. Now we need to calculate the customer demand per day. To do this, let's assume that we need to produce 17,500 units per month, and we have 20 available days per month. This means that we need to produce 875 units per day to keep up with customer demand. Now we can calculate the takt time. To do this, we divide our 480 minutes of available work time by our 875 units of demand, and we get a takt time of 0.55 minutes. These are the minutes we need to produce. In other words, 1 unit every 0.55 minutes to keep up with customer demand. Now with our takt time, we can keep a steady pace of production according to the market needs. And if the market is up, our takt time will be faster. If the market is down, our takt time will be slower. Being aware and producing at a takt time will drastically help you in leveling production. Keep in mind that quick changeovers are an absolute necessity and a prerequisite to actually reaching a level schedule. We'll see you in the next module.